how to turn on comments, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn on SMS, comments, notifications, uh, how to turn on comments, SMS notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and click these three lines in the top corner and click settings and then notifications, and here just click comments and then click on SMS if you want to turn it on. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.